Many traders dream of putting on some trades and then going golfing, fishing, traveling, clubbing, shopping, or any other number of things that allow them to just enjoy life, period. All the while not thinking about their trades. This is not a dream, it is simply using something called a bracket order. A bracket order is an order that has an entry, a stop, and a target all set at the same time. It's an entry order bracketed with a stop and a target. A bracket order accomplishes three things all at once. It sends an order to open a position, and once it's filled, it automatically sets your stop loss and your target. Many traders call this a set it and forget it type of order because once you set it, you can go about your business knowing that your stop and your target are already in place. You can use a bracket order for almost every trade that you make, and they work for both long and short-term trades. Bracket orders are easy to use, allowing you to manage all aspects of the trade with one button. The only downside to using a bracket order is that it can become confusing for new traders. A bracket order consists of two components that are basically two different sets of instructions. The first set is the OSO, also known as the order sends order. An OSO places a bracket around the entry. Once the entry order is filled, the exit bracket orders for the predefined stop loss and profit target are activated. It's also referred to as one sends other because one action sends another action. The entry gets us in, and the order that the bracket sends, both the stop and the target order, get us out of the trade at our specified prices. The OCO, or order cancels order, is the second set of instructions. The OCO ties two orders together, the stop and the target. If the target order is filled first, then the stop order is canceled since the trade has closed at a profit target. If the market moves against the position and the stop loss is triggered, then the target is canceled. If one is filled, the other is canceled. So now you have a basic understanding of how bracket orders function. They are designed to help remove the human emotion aspect of trading by letting you put in all of the variables for your stop, your entry, and your target. Next, we'll show you how to use these powerful tools for both long and short-term trades. Before you move on, ask yourself, what are the positives and negatives for utilizing bracket orders when placing trades? See if you can define what an OSO, or order sends order, is and what it's needed for. Also, see if you can define what an OCO, or order cancels order, is and what its purpose is as well. Hope to see you in the next video.